This video is sponsored by Guitar Slip No More. Do you ever find yourself wearing a guitar strap while you're sitting down because you don't want the guitar to slip off your lap? Well, now you don't need to. This award-winning product was designed to be installed on your guitar in just seconds, and it eliminates the need for you to wear a guitar strap while you're sitting down. It comes in large and medium, and it fits quite a wide variety of guitars. If you're not sure what size that you need for your guitar, then they have a free consult service that can help you find the correct size. I like to use it while I'm teaching guitar lessons or recording guitar. So now I'm going to demonstrate this product. Here I have my Fender Stratocaster right here. I have my Guitar Slip No More. I just smack it right on there. It takes seconds to install. And you can take it off as easy as you can put it on. So it's not anything that has to be attached or glued or anything to your guitar. And I'm ready to go. My guitar is not going to slip off. I have my foot propped up right now, but if I take this out, my guitar, it's just not going to slip. I can move all around. It is not going to slip off, which is awesome. I can even, if I'm standing, I can even almost put my legs straight down before the guitar will even slide off. So that's why I think this is fantastic. Just for sitting around, recording, doing whatever you want to do. If you're sitting down, I think you want to have one of these. They are a lot of fun and easy to work with, and they come in a variety of different sizes, and it fits a lot of different guitars. If you're someone like me who doesn't want my guitar to slip off my lap, and I'm not interested in wearing a guitar strap while I'm sitting down, then you might want to consider this product from Guitar Slip No More. I can recommend this product because I use it and I enjoy it, and I think you will find it very useful as well. To purchase one, I put the link down in the description.